Whatever your application, Ultra Grip International redefines diversity with complete work-holding solutions, providing the highest form of quality and precision, offering our customers the ultimate experience in custom design and build, using only the best materials and engineering knowledge found right here in Michigan. For more than 20 years, UGI has been committed to success, allowing our customers to rely on us to help reduce manufacturing costs by increasing throughput, minimizing scrap, and reducing maintenance. We also offer complete rebuilding services, maintaining the longevity of our products and other manufacturers' work holding for like new or better operation for years to come. If you are a manufacturer who uses work holding, from small to large, we have an innovative solution designed just for you. We don't just make chucks, we engineer the specially designed work holding solution you need. It's time to get a grip with Ultra Grip International, your engineered work holding solution.